Hello friends, welcome. In this video tutorial of Kali Linux, I will show you how to reset any Windows user's password using Kali Linux. This is very useful when you have forgotten your login password and you have important data in your computer. So let's see how. I am here in the Windows 10 computer. Press Enter key to get the login screen. I enter the password for the user. As you can see, the password is incorrect. I try again with another password. Still, it's incorrect. So let's reset the user's password. For this, you should already have Kali Linux live bootable USB stick. You can download ISO image of Kali from kali.org and make a pen drive bootable using a tool such as Rufus. I already have the bootable pen drive, so I insert the Kali bootable pen drive in the computer. Press power button on the right corner of the window, then click on restart. Before the Windows boots up, press the BIOS key. It should take you to your BIOS menu. The menu may look like different than this one. On the boot manager, go to Enter Setup by pressing arrow down key. Press Enter on Configure Boot Options. Go to Change Boot Order. Here, press Enter key to modify. Set the first boot source device to EFI USB device. Select and press Shift++ to move it on the top. Then press Enter key. Press on Commit Changes. Exit the boot manager. Reset the system. The system will boot from USB disk. Among the listed Kali Linux boot menu, select Live System Forensic Mode and hit Enter. After some time, you can see the Kali Live System loading window. Now it's loaded. First of all, let's adjust the display setting. For this, right click on the desktop, click on Display Settings, click on Resolution and click on 1920 1200. Click on Apply. Click on Keep Changes. Then close the window. Now it's full screen. Here, to reset the password, we need to modify on the SAM database, which is on the SAM file. So to find it, click on Files. Click on Other Locations. Here, the drive having 31 GB of size is the drive where Windows OS files are stored. So click and open it. Here, as you can see, the Windows system files and directories. Right click on the Windows directory. Click on Open in Terminal. Zoom in the terminal with Ctrl++. Close the graphical window. From the terminal, change the current directory to system32/config, where SAM files are located. Now type ls -l sam asterisk. It will list all the files having the name SAM. Here, as you can see, 3 SAM files, among which the first SAM file is useful to us. Now run chntpw or change anti-password with --h option to see all the available options with the program. Here we will first list all the users. So clearing the screen, run chntpw -l sam. As a result, we can see the username and admin or normal user status. I want to reset password of the user Sanjay, which is also an administrator user, and I have forgotten its password. So run chntpw -u username as Sanjay Sam. Here we can see 5 options. With these options, we can clear our user's password, unlock and enable user account, promote user to make an administrator, add a user to a group, and remove a user from the group. I want to clear the user's password. So I press on 1 and press Q to quit from here. Press Y to write the changes on the SAM file. Then reboot the system. Now to load Windows 10 by default, just remove the USB disk from your computer or change the boot priority from the BIOS menu. I just removed the pen drive from my computer. As you can see, Windows is loading. Waiting for some time, we can see the user is signing in without requiring to enter the password. It's because password for the user is cleared. We can see the desktop. If you want to create a new password for the user, you can do it from user account settings in the control panel. Okay friends, this is how we can reset forgotten user's password in Windows operating system using Kali Linux. If you are not familiar with Linux or Kali Linux, we can perform the same using other tools, for example DLC boot. Find the link in the description for resetting Windows user's password with DLC boot. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next. Until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.